What's going on? Good evening. Nautica in the building early. Hello all. What's up? What's up?
I love your smile. That shit makes me so weak. Said I love that attitude. You swear you could fight me, baby girl. I love when your makeup's off. You don't need it. You're so damn pretty without it. Let's talk about it, cause I think all those magazines, they got you thinking that your rank below the standard. When baby, you're the best I ever had, the one I can't forget. Get about you, back about you. You don't wanna love me, you don't wanna want me. Shit can get ugly, I'm Killmonger in these streets. All this danger follow me. Let a nigga try me, would you ride beside me? Baby, I'ma catch a body, I'm Killmonger in these streets. Don't got time for you and me. I love how real you are. You ain't gotta run for nobody, girl. I love that sexy walk. When you got something to show me, baby, I love. You get mad when I kick it with the homies, girl, cause you want me all to you. Oh, baby, I
Good
want
evening,
you
good
to.
evening.
All these
Appreciate it,
niggas
dog.
talking
Appreciate
about me,
it.
they hate
Gotta
who
let
I'm
everybody
with.
know what's going
They
on
talking shit
in the
like
market.
I ain't got that banger on my hip. That's on me, I do. See, I know you thought it was a game. I ain't playing, little nigga, about mine. You could catch about 9, still mine or die trying. And I'ma go to sleep just fine. You don't wanna love me, you don't wanna want me.
Yeah, we
Shit can
live.
get ugly, I'm Killmonger in these streets. All this danger
Okay,
follow
spam
me.
companies
Let a nigga try
sending me
Would
promotion
you ride
emails.
beside me? Baby, I'ma
Craftwork
catch a body,
NFT.
I'm Killmonger
We're gonna
in
pay
these
you
streets.
$1,200 for
Don't got time
30-second
you and
video.
me, but I love
I'm good.
you. I'm Killmonger in these streets. Baby, I love you.
Well, we have another red day, people. Another red day. We about to get this thing started. Moomoo just sent me something. They must be doing a promotion since everything is dropping. Coinbase announced NFT platform. Well, Coinbase already had their NFT platform. I did a video on that a while back. So what you mean by they announced it? But we will look it up in this video. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host for tonight, Lando Success. Hope all is well. Hope you guys' energy and spirit is okay. And I hope you're not bleeding too bad because the market is on fire right now. It is going down and it's going down bad. So we're wondering, like, how low can you go? How low is this market going to keep on going? Because I thought we hit the bottom when we seen 29,000 and the stock market looked like it started off recovering. You know, it's up like 400 points. Then just all of a sudden went right back down, mainly with the Dow. So we're going to look and see what's going on. We got Lansing, Michigan in the building. What up, though, Mr. T? Lansing in the building. Michigan State out there. Had a lot of good parties in Lansing, Michigan. My brother went to LCC. Ain't too much to do out in Lansing, but, you know, we got to show some love to our Michigan State people, too. Hold on, let's see. Where is a player face at? Bam. All right. So let's first see what's going on in the overall markets. And you see, we are at least in a green, 0.5%. And look at this. Trending. Terra Luna is down 52%, dog, in the last day. It's bad. UST is up. So we got Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is actually up. Last week, down 16%. You see it's at 31.5. Let's look at it. So on the last day, we had a low of 33 and a high of 32.5. So the question is, was this our low? 29,900. Now, it seemed like it should be, because if we go back a year, look at our low. 29,800. The exact same thing. And what I was looking at is after it went to this low in the last year. So look at that date. That was July 19th. And it went to a high. We go right here. July 19th. And you have 2 months, less than 2 months later, it go to 52,000. So this less than 2 month swing, you basically went up 20,000. So the question is, are we going to see the same type of thing? Because crypto definitely like to repeat itself sometimes. But we will see. See right here? Boom, did the exact same thing. Boom, the exact same thing down. Boom. And we could have another bull run, or it could keep on crashing. I don't know. What's y'all thoughts? What y'all think is going to happen? If you're new in here, we got to do some housekeeping. Make sure you press that like button, press that subscribe button. You know, got to leave a comment to help out the YouTube algorithm, keep a conversation going on in the comments. Nothing is wrong with that. I'll come back and I will see it. Now we see Solana is at $67. They up 4% in the last day, so that's good. Cardano is in the green at 63 cents. Dogecoin is at 11 cents, and they are in the green. UST is at 84 cents. So it's up 8% in the last day. UST has just, oh man, it's been bad. Look at this drop. Look at that drop where it went down. People were saying UST went down basically to 60 something cents, 69 cents. Some people say 65. And it's supposed to be a stable coin, man. You know, I think it unpegged right here, you know, before. But outside of that, I mean, well, no, in the last year, there it go. Then yeah, that was in May when it dropped down to 94 cents and people was going crazy. So you see it's possible, and it just really looks very bad with Luna, everything that's going on. I believe it's a buying opportunity if you ask me, because I'm going to roll with Do Kwon, see what he got going on. Shiba's up 10%. Oh, meme coin getting some love. Matic, $14. I just bought 10 more shares, 10 more Luna. I think I got it in at $17. I want to buy some more. I'm just going to keep on. I hope it stay down for a little bit before it shoot back up, because a lot of people are scared. You got to realize, like I was just telling Lauren, because he is pissed off. You know, Lauren, crazy. His attitude ain't right. But I'm like, bro, you got to think. Luna is a high risk, high reward type of deal. This is why this was my favorite for 2022. Look at this. A year ago, Luna was at $4. Think of that. It went from $4 to $117 within a year. That's crazy growth. That's insane, yo. So when you have opportunities and coins that can do something like that, unfortunately, it can do the exact same in the opposite side. So it's like a meme coin, but with real life utility and, you know, get fast growth. So I believe it will recover and we'll be back good. And mainly, especially if it survived through this, oh my gosh, It's going to come out like a god. You survived through this. We got Algorand is actually down at under 60 cents. Need to buy some more of that. ApeCoin is up 7% last day. Damn, ApeCoin went down heavy. How low did ApeCoin go down to? Went down to $7, man. $7. Anybody buy in on any ApeCoin? We have Hedera at 11 cents. That is $6. I mean, 6% up in the last day. Sandbox, Decentraland up 3%. Axie Infinity down. Aave up 2%. Graph Steppen is down. Did you guys see, if you didn't sign up already for the Step app, they actually just went live. I just did a video. I have my activation code and the link of that video. Once you get off, go ahead, get signed up. So it's at 170,000 followers. So they have the app pre-sign up. It's now live. So this is all you're basically doing. You're going and clicking this. You are putting in your email. Once you put in your email, it's going to ask you for confirmation code. Once you put in that confirmation code, it's going to ask you for activation code. And you just go to the video I did, or just go on my Twitter. I think I got the activation code on my Twitter. Put that in. They're going to give you some free FAT points, FAT. And for those that's not following me on Twitter or any forms of social media, you are welcome to do so. I might do so. I actually follow back. And it's at Lando Success. Everything, all forms of social media, Lando Success. If I can. It just sucks because I do this stuff from my phone so much. I don't even know how to go to my own damn thread. Let's see if we can figure this thing on out. There we go. So the activation code is this. 33W6GHKG. Because I want to see how they're going to do compared to Steppen. I'm saving up to get me some good old Solana to give me some shoes over there. And I bought some more Luna. Nothing that's like a good old dip. You know, nothing wrong with that. Gotta enjoy a little bit of dip. What's up? Let's see who in the building. I would like to say sell all. It's just gonna crash. Uh-oh. Yes, the gainers are probably those you never heard of before. Do you think it's going to keep on crashing? Jimmy in the building. What's going on, Jimmy? The CPL come out tomorrow. This will scare the market. I guess find out what time. Well, shit, the market already scared. Everybody already scared. So, everybody kind of already scared. That's how I am. I see red and can't help to buy. Just wait and see. The company behind Sand is also behind Ape. Are you certain about that? Is it the people? Because I haven't heard that one before. So I don't know fully about that one. No, staying over in crypto. Let's see. Bitcoin mining hash price hits multi-year low. Coinbase execs dismissed talk about Robinhood acquisition. No, they're definitely not doing that. Now, I haven't looked at, I'm going to probably do a video tomorrow morning with Coinbase earnings report. Coinbase. Let's see if I can. Coinbase. If I was looking for your earnings report, what would I be? I would be at the bottom under investors. So I'm going to probably do this tomorrow. What's today's date? What's today's date? May. We're in May. May announced Coinbase. Nope. Coinbase stockholder meeting. There we go. First up, earnings call. Shareholders letter. So yeah, I had to figure all of this out. And really, I'm just going to go over all of these numbers. All right, so now I know where it's at and see if they did any good. Well, we'll check that out soon. Why is Terra, Luna, and UST price dropping? What is really going on? A lot of people want to know what is going on with Terra Luna. Let's see what this article have to say. With the recent crypto bloodbath, most cryptocurrencies are down roughly 20% this week. However, Terra Luna has been down over 78% in the past 7 days.
Oh no!
Yeah, and a stable coin Terra USD, formerly known as UST, is down over 19%, currently trading at 80 cents. This article looks at what is going on with Terra Luna and why UST cannot maintain its price of $1. First, why is Luna and UST prices dropping? It's clear that there has been enormous selling pressure for Luna and its stablecoins. It seems there is a coordinated attack on cryptocurrency to destabilize its stablecoin in the market. I don't think it's any type of, it's like a government verbal bashing attack on it, but it's not like a coordination. Let's drop the market. I don't believe in that. We're in a recession, so everything is going down. So I don't think it's a coordinated attack on the cryptocurrency such as what they're trying to make it seem. For those unfamiliar with Luna's stablecoin system, each UST can be easily converted to $1 worth of Luna. What traders and whales are doing is using this opportunity to arbitrage the depeg price of UST with Luna, effectively purchasing UST at a discount, converting it to Luna, then dumping the Luna on an exchange and repeating the process. Several exchanges implemented measures to support the market to curb the arbitrage opportunities to slow down the sell-off. For example, Binance temporarily suspended withdrawals on Terra network. So that's why they suspended. I know Hodlnaut suspended. So they saying people is actually real life doing it. In addition, according to many traders, KuCoin Luna deposits and withdrawals were extremely overloaded and are causing funds to be stuck in the limbo. At this writing, KuCoin haven't released an official statement regarding pausing withdrawals or deposits. What is next for Luna and USC? In response to the massive sell-off, Do Kwon, the founder of Luna and the stablecoin, has been active on Twitter today, hint that the announcement of a recovery plan for UST is coming. We are close to announcement. I'll just go to his Twitter in a second and we'll see that. Now, you're looking at the price. Say Luna is currently trading at $18, down 84% since an all-time high of $116. The recent price drop is one of the most significant drops we ever seen in crypto asset this year, and only can hope that it is its bottom. So here go my honest thoughts. Shout out to everybody that's new in here, because I know everybody want me to talk about Luna. Here go my thoughts. You have to realize Luna is a high risk, high reward type of cryptocurrency. What I mean by that, it was $4 a year ago. Last month it reached over $117. That's a lot of growth, a lot of opportunity. And Luna basically depend on the market doing okay and better. So if the market is doing okay, Luna's going to do okay and better. If the market doing great, Luna is going to do great and better. And what they was doing was buying, like the system, the algorithm at stablecoin is good long as cryptocurrency stay succeeding as a whole. Once you have a straight recession and a whole cryptocurrency economic crash, all of their reserve money, because when they want USC to be at $1, right? When it go down to 80 cents, for you to get it there, what they're doing is taking that 1.5 billion that they have in Bitcoin reserve and selling that Bitcoin to basically make it go back up. The problem is, I don't know for sure, but with the price right now, they probably spent damn near all of that reserve money trying to get it back up. So Do Kwon is, he's smart, he's a little genius. So I believe he's going to figure it out. And once they figure it out, it's going to be over, because if you can handle this type of pressure, this type of knockdown where your coin basically down 90%, you're going to be completely unstoppable. You have to see Bitcoin been through it. So it's like I was telling Lorna earlier, he like, man, but it's down, 80, 70%. I'm like, yo, Bitcoin is down 50, 60% from its all-time high right now. You go to the stock market, what is Robinhood? Down 98 probably percent from its all-time high. Look at Netflix. Look at all of these companies. I was just looking at Upstart. Upstart dropped today 50% in one day. I never seen that in the stock ever. So that's just exactly where the economy and stuff is at. So let's first look at Do Kwon. His Twitter. Is it Do Kwon? All right, let's see if he said anything. Getting closer, Lunatic. So he said, I didn't mean to be so quiet. Need razor focus to deliver. Thanks everyone for the support. Close to announcing a recovery plan for USC. Hang tight. Getting close, stay strong, lunatics. So he's basically cooking up a plan. He's saying he's going to figure this. So somebody said, with all due respect, why are you running around like a scared chicken? Everything is fine. TruePeg have never deviated. This is the latest update. Yeah, what is they saying over there on the Luna side of things? What is they tweeting over here? And they just basically retweeting what the CEO said. So I honestly, what I did, I bought 10 more coins today, and hopefully I will possibly buy 10 more coins tomorrow. I think we will be okay. I think we'll be okay. I'm going to ride with them to the end of this year. Keep on buying the dip. I believe I'm definitely going to make a lot of money on what I'm doing. But if not, worst case, hey, I held it for a year. Didn't work out. On to the next one. We will see. Let me know y'all thoughts. What do y'all think about Terra Luna? Anchor. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let's look at the price before we move on to the next thing. First, let's look at UST. UST dropped down so nasty. Look at that. It went all the way down to 69 cents. That's how you depeg something right there. And it's not his first time it did it. It did it last May. It wasn't nothing crazy. And you look at good old Luna price. And the crazy thing, if you look at, we'll look at it over here on Coinbase. If you look at Luna price, I would bet within the last year, Luna's probably down 20%. That's it. So literally 20%. So let's do some compare and contrast, right? So if we go to Bitcoin in the last year is down 44%. 44. So remember that number. 44%. Everybody panicking, all that stuff. Ethereum in the last year down 43%, 1% better. So those two are mirroring each other. We'll do two more. We would do Cardano. Cardano down 64%. These are strong companies. Now let's look at Luna. Luna, 11%. Only down 11% in the last year. So it's like, yeah, you lost money because, most people came in here and stuff. So it's like, yeah, it's bad right there. But when you take yourself back and you look at this growth, yeah, this is just nothing but opportunity to me. I don't believe this just going to flatline and just start doing this. I honestly don't believe that. So we will see. Shout out to everybody that's in here. That's my thoughts about Luna. You will have to rewind and watch this. So all the people that's going to keep on asking me in the comments. Victor in the building. What's going on? What you think about Matic? Need to buy some more. I think Matic is under $1. I think Matic is under $1. Let's see. I'm bullish on Matic. Excuse me. You know when you have to like sneeze and it won't come out? There we go. All right. You got Matic is down 16% in the last year. Up in the last day, down last week, down like everybody else. But Matic is a good long-term hold, a good long-term buy. Nobody don't sell Matic. People hold Matic for over 100 days, basically. People are still buying Matic. So, I'm not a financial advisor. I would just say keep on buying and take advantage of this low dippy dip. One YouTuber said Justin's son has something to do with it. Gotta look into that. Let's see. Hey, from Southfield. Hey, we got Southfield in the building. What up, though? Southfield. But you over there by 12 Mile, Telegraph, Northwestern, all that good old stuff. Let's see. Openly squeaks door. I'm late. You ain't never late to the party, baby. You're here. That's all that matters. You're here, my friend. Shout out to you. Yeah, I bought some Luna. You think it's hitting 13 tomorrow? I have no idea. Now, this is the funny part. If y'all watch some YouTubers today, if anybody tell you a price prediction or something they believe is about to happen, they full of shit. Nobody knows. I have no idea. Like, just look at this market, yo. Look at this. We got the stock market. We have crypto market. Look at the Dow Jones. This is Dow Jones today, last week, last month, 3 months, 6 months, the last year. It don't get good to 2 years. Who expected all of that? Nobody. I didn't expect that. You didn't expect it. If we look at Bitcoin, I expected a red year. So I at least expected, what did I say the other day? So I got it where I said Bitcoin this year is going to trade between 35,000 and 45,000, reaching a high of 52,000 once and reaching a low, I said 7,000 from 35, so 27,000. So that's my prediction for Bitcoin this year. I already had it as a red year, and I've been telling people this is going to be the year we will never see Bitcoin this low. So this is the year to try to attain 1 Bitcoin and 10 Ethereum. Let's keep on going on. Well, what's popping in the economy? Coinbase CEO has never been more bullish even after. I didn't even read it yet. Let me stop. Because I want to do a separate video on that. ApeCoin price hints at diminishing returns for several weeks. Yeah, I told people it was going to pop off with ApeCoin. True ApeCoin price signal the end of a bull run. Told people that. Yep, those good old days are over. Crypto.com finds subtle support and at a 40% rally towards 31%. Who the hell? See, this is what I'm talking about. When people have those. Okay. Crypto.com price. Bullish signal at the crypto arena awaits May 11th. United States inflation report. Crow price has touched a parallel channel median line for the first time. 40% rally in March. First time, and you can't, history do repeat itself, but right now we're in a recession, so many factors can play into things. The first touch at any significant trend line is usually the catalyst before most substantial price spikes occurs. Crypto.com price has risen 13% since the initial tap in the median line. Bulls are just 2 hours away from printing bullish. Okay, so they're saying we at a price where it's about to do something. Let's look at Crow, because I'm calling BS. Because Crow ain't gonna do nothing if nobody ain't buying nothing in the exchange. If nobody's doing any buying, thanks for that like who just pressed it. If you guys haven't already pressed that like button, make sure you do it. Yeah, it's like last year Crow was still up. So last day, you know, it's popping the last day. I don't know. Because the low, it went to 20 cents. That's what I said it would hit 20 cents. That's the support level. So it's the same support level I said, but I don't know. We will see if the right reasons why cryptocurrency exchanges are positive, are in positive annual revenue. Chinese banks, first mover, Ethereum NFT prices bounce back after crypto crash, but Azuki keep tanking. Oh no, not Azuki. Told you a lot of these NFT projects are going to take an L. Watch the video today. I did the death of NFTs and the death of meme coins. A lot of companies will not be here tomorrow, quote unquote, a year or so from today. Measure USD Board A Yacht Club floor today is 15%. Is up 15% to 230,000. That's why I was telling people yesterday, like or on a video today, you have certain NFTs that's going to always win. For example, like having what you call it, Lava Labs, like having CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks, somebody just sold their CryptoPunks yesterday. They bought it at $1 million. Think of that. They purchased it 6 months ago at $1 million. They just sold it for $139,000. If you're not an idiot, because number one, if I bought it for $1 million, that means I have $100 million in the bank. For you to sell at a 90% loss just about, that's not a smart. That's emotional. So I don't know if he borrowed or she borrowed money to do that. That just don't make any sense to me, because I don't know. You know, I ain't in people's pockets, but that person made some bad investment decisions. My thing is, if you can get a NFT, CryptoPunk under $100,000 right now, if I had it, I would completely do it. And I would sit back and chill, because we know those prices, those CryptoPunks is not going anywhere. Now the Zukis and all these and other stuff, you don't know. We'll see. But they say the last 8 out of 10 CryptoPunks have been sold at a loss. And I did a video. You have to watch the video where I broke down why is that. But let's see. The last current lowest price available, $125,000, yo. So if that went under, if anybody in here got the money, well, I'm not even about to say that live. Lando said buy CryptoPunk. That's what I would do. If I had the money, I would buy. Once I see one, I would do a bunch of offers for, $99,000. And if we had any takers, I would take them. That's how I will do that. Jonathan, what's going on? Have you gotten a chance to buy Shiba yet? I did buy Shiba the first time. But I only got $5 worth. The reason being, I did a Robinhood video when Robinhood came out with crypto wallets. Needs to do example. So my example was with Shiba. So I'm a Shiba holder, but only with $5 of some Sheep. Yo, finally made it live. Chris, what's going on, man? You done shot the club up and then got that girl pregnant, man. Yeah, no, I ain't seen you. Ain't seen you in a minute, player. What's going on, dog? Finally made it. At work, towing a car to the shop. Well, focus on that, man. I don't need you. You got to save all that money. Don't don't run don't run into nothing. Get the likes up. Y'all heard the man. Let's get the likes up to 15. Let's get 3 more likes. Somebody that's new in here, hit that like button. Let's get them likes up. Everything is down. Yes, it is. I have Crow believing him long term. That's a good one. Mushroom NFT to the moon. Hell nah. Rich Town. I don't know. I don't know about that one, player. Don't know about that one. You sound like one of the people that's in my email, my DM, trying to get me to trying to get me to pump and dump some of these NFTs. The biggest losers and crypto winner. Terra Luna. USC Bitcoin Reserve. Too late and coming to save the peg. 51% attack. I never was. It's $1,800 Ethereum critical support level. Here's why Solana is still number 1. Shiba rebounding faster than Dogecoin. We know Shiba's better than Dogecoin. Sorry, Dogecoin people. It is, though. In my opinion. Come on, what just happened? Yep, that wasn't good. Let's see. There we go. Napster acquired that Algorand at disclosed price. Oh, go ahead, Napster. 40% of Bitcoin investors are sitting unrealized lost crypto. Twitter reacts. Yeah, everybody been tweeting about USC. That's like my whole feed right now. X Infinity, top trending. Coinbase. Yeah, I'm going to definitely talk about Coinbase. But yeah, when you get on Twitter, that's all I literally seen was everybody talking about that. Oh, she's cute. Who that? I hate in Twitter when you like something, that shit pop up all to everybody. Everybody, mama gonna see when I like a picture. Breaking, Elon Musk says. I did a video talking about that. Can we hear it?
Of was it Twitter have permanent bans? And
I'm not gonna watch this. I hate watching Elon Musk speak since he got I forgot what he have. He a little weird. I mean oh, go ahead, Chuck. You almost beat him. Go ahead, Chuck. Looks like no one else releasing hip hop same day as Kendrick. Oh, I can't wait till that Kendrick Lamar album come out. Jenny Buss wanted more out of Lakers. Everybody wanted more out of Lakers. It's funny, like my computer show completely different tweets than my phone. Let's see. USC is going to regain peg and everyone is going to pretend like this never happened. Go ahead, tell them again. USC collapse is the biggest threat to crypto right now. It has massive ramifications across the entire industry. Is it the end of UST and Luna? Find out next on Dogecoin. Whoever gave me a dislike, why would you do something like that? Why would you come on a player channel and give me a dislike? That ain't you probably this person. Your men is live and nobody ain't banned none of that stuff. You get to see pissed off Joel Dabib. You're welcome. Joel, you'll be all right. But yeah, man, I'm not doing too much. I just only bought some Luna today. Need to buy some more Matic, some other things. What's your thoughts on VeChain? I am heavy on VeChain Thor. I would never probably buy VeChain. If I was to purchase some, I will purchase VeChain Thor VeChain Thor utilization is great. I love everything VeChain is doing. Love the project. Love them. Detroit and 8 Mile. Hey, 8 Mile in the building. What up, though? Good nights. Learning coins. Pleasure. I appreciate you for coming and checking in, hollering at us for the night. Lando, you never bought Bitcoin back in 2013? Nope, 2017. It's the first time I bought. Made $10,000 and sold it because I thought Bitcoin, that was it. I was rich. I made $10,000. And then it dropped back down. And I'm like, yep, happy I sold it. And didn't buy back in and went back up and was like, damn, why didn't I buy the dip? So that's why I bought the dip now. Because, yeah, live and you learn. How did Dogecoin pump last year? Are you investing in Dogecoin? No, I honestly abhor Dogecoin. I am not. I don't like anything about Dogecoin. Never bought in one. Meme coins pump because of hype. Last year, you got to think, whenever Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin or anything, the price go up. And you got Elon Musk, basically, he's a sponsor, the face, the spokesperson for Dogecoin. That make the price go up. When he hype it up, hey, man, everybody, make sure you buy Dogecoin. Do this. We're going to send the Dogecoin to the moon. Had the price completely going crazy. Then you had Dogecoin Millionaire doing all them videos talking about it. Then you had Elon Musk was going to be on Saturday Night Live. That's when the price topped out. And all the hype is gone because you got to think Dogecoin is the first. It's the grandfather. It's the OG meme coin. So it was the first. After Dogecoin, then you had Shiba, Dogecoin killer. Now you have 1,000 more of them. So, you know, they get watered down after a while. Saturday Night Live in May. Yep. Tonyo in here. What up, though? Everybody stood up to Tony. Man, I'm doing good, brother. I am doing good. Jonathan say that Kendrick album is going to be awesome. I can't wait. Yeah, I can't. Man, that song he did. It's like, it's only a few artists where I have to go back and go through the lyrics. J. Cole, Kendrick, Lupe Fiasco, Jay-Z, Biggie. It's a handful of artists I can listen to right now and be like, oh, this shit. You know, because like some songs you can listen to some Future, play it and you just listening to it, have a good time. You don't be like, oh, he done said some deep shit. Let me go back. You listen to that Kendrick song and it's too deep, too great. You have to like pause it, take some time, let me read these lyrics, let me understand what's going on, and you get a better appreciation for it. Even when I go back to his last album, damn, I still do that. Put this on reverse. Ain't nobody praying for me. I keep buying Crow and Ada. Something gonna make me wealthy. I love it. Hey man, that's the best way to do it. I ain't mad at it at all. I see if my wife's still up. Sending my wife some freaky emojis. See if I get lucky tonight. See if the emojis work. If not, I'm going outside and smoking me a cigar. One of the two. That's when you get married. You got to send freaky emojis and hope it work. But let's do one more recap. Let's do an overall recap. So now we got the stock market tomorrow. Let's see if they're saying stock futures are a little change ahead of key inflation reading. So I got to see what time that's going to come out so I can cover the key inflation reading. Stocks were a little change and overnight trading Tuesday ahead of key inflation reading. Dow Jones shed about 15 points. So it's going to be interesting. It's either going to be another drop or a big spike tomorrow. Nothing in between. It's not going to be a flat day. Highly doubt it. You got Amazon is still close to 2,000. You got Facebook under 200. Tesla's at 800. Even Tesla's always a good buy in my opinion. Netflix is getting whooped on like always. PayPal getting whooped on. Lucid Motors. So yeah, stock market, we'll see what's going on with the stock market. Then all right, we up. We started the live off at 0.50, 0.50%. Now we up a whole percent. No, we just had to get on live for a second. Ain't nobody praying for me. I don't know. We shall see. Cause it's still close, a little low down. All right, we have our UST is at 81 cents still. Where's Luna? Luna is at 13. I think we started off at 14, so it's still actively going down. Jeez. Need some more monies. $1,000. ApeCoin. So, not too much over there popping. Oh, I think I seen something I want to talk about on Coinbase. Where's Coinbase news? I don't think this is it right here. Nah. Coinbase newsletters. Because Coinbase on my phone, I wish I can figure it out. On my phone, I know how to get to all of this stuff. Learn. Thanks for that like, whoever just pressed it. Nope. Can't find it. I just have to. Actually, let me see if I can pull it up on my phone while I read some of these questions. Is ApeCoin hype is over? 100% is over. Yeah, like I told people, ApeCoin was a $9 to $12 coin in the first place. And, you know, their rollout was perfect. They came out at the perfect time when crypto was on a little run. So they rode the wave. Then they tricked everybody. Like they took off. Even when crypto or Bitcoin going down, ApeCoin was going up and it was doing its own thing. And I knew I just wanted to wait and see when it deal with some adversity. And ApeCoin had to just stand alone by itself and see if it's any good. Meta trial display. Okay, this is one thing I want to talk about. Let's send this over here. But yeah, I think it's definitely over. All right, so the first thing I notice is this Meta trials NFT display feature for Instagram creators and collectors. So I guess they are starting like a NFT part. Head of Instagram share initial details of the test run via Twitter, stating that more will be revealed next week. What's your thoughts about this? So the tweet was, he actually got a video. Check it out.
The creator economy is incredibly important to Instagram. Creators are incredibly important to Instagram. But one of the challenging things that we need to solve as an industry is how to help creators make a living doing what they love. Right now, there are a number of different ways for creators to make money, but a lot of them are unpredictable and changing rapidly. Now, we think one really interesting opportunity for a subset of creators is NFTs, the idea of owning a unique digital item. So what we're starting with this week is the ability for creators and people to share NFTs that they've made or that they bought, either in feed or in stories or in messaging. It's a limited number of people to start, and there's a lot more functionality that we're going to need to build over time, but we wanted to start small and learn from the community. Now, I want to acknowledge up front that NFTs and blockchain technologies and Web3 more broadly are all about distributing trust, distributing power. But Instagram is fundamentally a centralized platform. So there's a tension there. So one of the reasons why we're starting small is we want to make sure that we can learn from the community. We want to make sure that we work out how to embrace those tenets of distributed trust and distributed power, despite the fact that we are, yes, a centralized platform. We do think one of the unique opportunities we have is to make Web3 technologies accessible to a much broader range of people. And NFT specifically, we think will be interesting not only to creators who create NFT art, but also to people who want to collect it. So keep an eye out, let us know what you think, let us know what you want to see next, and you're going to be hearing a lot more from us on not only NFTs, but on how to better support creators' ability to make a living over the next couple months. See you next week. Peace.
So, what's your thoughts about that? Because I have mixed feelings. The first thing is, I like how transparent and honest he seemed. Yeah, I like him. Whoever that is, I like him. The problem, I like the concept. The problem, I believe, is once you get the NFT market saturated with regular people that's trying to make NFTs, it's going to take the value of all of them down. So think of, you got all these people on Instagram, and then we already know we got the models and influencers. Hey, you can buy my booty NFT. It's going to be a SHIT show, in my opinion. But the thing is, on the other side, I actually do like it. I like the concept of what they're doing. So, we're going to see how everything end up panning out. What's y'all thoughts? A reminder, guys, who haven't hit that like and subscribe button, hit it for a player. See, that's what I'm talking about. So, was there anything else I seen in here that I wanted to talk about? What, Terra? I think that's it until EA Sports NFT street football game is much more than scrolling goes. Yeah, so we'll just come back tomorrow, see what's going on. I'll probably be live in the morning, do a live market open. We shall see. But besides that, I really appreciate all you guys. You guys are amazing, as always. And to the people that come in late, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You guys can follow me on Twitter, different type of accounts. Everything is at Lando Success. Damn, Terra Luna. Will, why you ain't in here?
I love your smile.
Oh, bad. Will, why you not in here?
I love that attitude. You swear you could fight me, baby girl. I love
just
when your makeup's off. You don't need it. You're so damn pretty without it. Let's talk about it, cause I think all those magazines, they got you thinking that your rank below the standard when baby, you're the best I
yeah,
ever
Luna Turbo
had.
rallies potentially as high as $44 to $48. I make money if they did that, but let it keep on seeing things out. No matter how you feel about UST Luna, you gotta hand it to Stable One. He put absolute everything out online for his convictions and respect that mindset. Yeah, I can't wait to give us the explanation of what's going on. We will see. No problem, dog. Appreciate you. See y'all in the mañana. Can't even say it.